everyone, so today I have got an exciting video. I treated myself to the Cult Beauty Christmas stocking. They have a couple of stockings available, but this one is, and they're still available, so I'll try and get this video up as fast as I can. This one is the makeup beauty must-have ones, and it's £24 at the minute, which is such a steal, so I will try and get this up as fast as I can for you guys. And yeah, I'm going to unbag it with you. I got this for one product only, but we're getting a few makeup items in this bag. They do have other ones which I'll quickly go through at the end. But the first item we have got is something from Say. It is the Glossy Bounce Hydrating Lip Oil. I've never tried anything from Say, to be honest. Are they a nice brand? Are they a nice product? This is it, yeah. I'm not sure how I feel about the packaging of it. It's very simple. Quite like it, but I'm sure this is a pricey brand. But that is the Hydrating Lip Gloss in the shade Burst. So that was the first item we got. And I can't remember whether I got this stocking for 25 or 30. But it's 25 at the minute. Then the next thing we've got is from something from Westman Atelier. And this is the I Love You eye pencil. Now this is a pricey pencil. I think it's quite pricey. It's a pricey brand, and it is just a black eyeliner pencil. This is what it looks like here. There we go. Oh, I love the smell because it's like a wood pencil. I love the smell of a wood black eyeliner pencil. So we've got that. Then we've got something from Milk Makeup, which I'm sure I own. This is the Magnetic Eye Colour in Angel, but it's very similar to the other products, so I'm not going to swatch this, and I'm sure I own this in anyways. It's a little mini size, so this isn't a full size, but it's like a goldy, shimmery type of crayon eye shadow, basically. But the reason I got this whole bag really was for this one product, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shop eyeshadow. The packaging on this eyeshadow palette, it's like, well, single eyeshadow I should say, is stunning. But how do I get it out? It won't come out the box. I can't get, oh there, we've got it. And this is in the shade Rose Gold, but look at that packaging. This was actually on my Christmas list. Was it last year? It might have been last year, but I never got it. So when I seen, I don't know if it was this shade, but this item was, and I just had to have it. So I thought, at that deal, I will be having it. And that is it there. How stunning is that? And I could still probably have more on my finger there. Beautiful. And the packaging, I mean, how Christmassy and stunning is this packaging? I love the packaging of that, and that is why I got that stocking, just for that product. Really, I really wanted that product. Other products I probably use as stocking fillers and things like that for everyone else, but I needed that pop item. I needed that eyeshadow. It was such a steal. Yeah, so I did get the stocking as well. The stocking's quite a small stocking, I will say, like, so it is definitely just like for little items. It's a cute stocking though. I just wish they didn't have the brand logo. I always say that though, don't I? I just could mean stars and stuff. They could have put the brand on the back. But yeah, and that is the little stocking. So cute. Such a cute little stocking. I'll probably just live up there, to be honest, my stocking. But yeah, the other stockings are, let's get them. I'll get them up on the list for you. So the other one is the little Luxury Scents one. Honestly, this was such a cute one. You're getting the Commodity Milk. You're getting 4 fragrances. Commodity Milk, which is a 10ml. You're getting the Something Heather's Cowboys and Santa Anna Wins 8ml. The Fugazi Vanilla Haze 8ml. In the Eccentric Molecule 8.5ml. Honestly, if they had different fragrances in, I probably would have like jumped at this, but the fragrances didn't really jump out at me, so that's why I didn't get that one. But I'll have it on the screen. That is £24 at the minute. Their Body Care Bliss one is £20 at the minute, which is really good because I'm sure it's got like quite a decent size Molten Brown product in. I'm going to have it on the screen for you. It's got the Grown Alchemist hand cream, deluxe size 20ml. It's got the Kaleidoscope Smoothing Body Serum, 15ml. It's got the Molten Brown Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Body Wash. It's a travel size, 100ml, still a good little size though. Then it's got like the most beautifulest hand cream ever, the L'Occitane Almond Delicious Hand Cream, which is a deluxe size, 30ml. The Espoir Bergamot and Jasmine Body Lotion, 30ml, and the Manifesto 7-Day Serene Gummies. Honestly, I think that's such a good one for what you're getting in that stocking, and I love the colour of that stocking. It's like a navy stocking. Absolutely love that one. And then they've got the Hair Care Delights, which is 24. I'm actually not the biggest fan of this one. This one has the Fable and Main Hal Roots hair oil, travel size. It's got the Amika Midnight Mender, which sounds really nice. That's 30ml. The Orbe Gold Lust Transformative Mask. That is kind of what's winning this stocking for me. The Hair by Sam McKnight Love Me Do oil, full size, 50ml, so that would probably be worth a little bit. And then the Living Proof Shine Gloss, which I love Living Proof products actually. So the Orbe product and the Living Proof is kind of winning it for me. I'm not keen on the colour of that stocking. My brother would love the colour of that stocking though. And then they have got a grooming stocking, which is like a lovely deep green stocking, which is £24, and you get quite a bit in this one, I feel like. You're getting the Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Moisturiser, 15ml. The Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser, 50ml. The Bioma Barrier Repair Eye Cream, full size, 20ml. The Grown Alchemist Restores Hand Cream, full size, deluxe size, sorry, 20ml. The Molten Brown Black Pepper Body Wash. Now this smells nice, doesn't it? 100ml. And then the Crave Body Beauty Calais. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure if I said that right, but it's an EHA exfoliator basically. Deluxe size, 20ml, but you've got quite a bit in there, I think. Yeah, I think that's good. I like that one. I think that one's a good one. Groom and Go, that one is. And that is their stockings. I think they're so fab, especially when I think the Space and K stocking is like £85. Granted, you're probably getting a lot more in that one, but for the price, I think these are very cute. And yeah, especially now that they're reduced, you're getting even more of a saving. I will have them all linked down below for you and anyways. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing anyways. And if you like these type of videos, I would love to subscribe down below. If you have any type of unboxings or anything like that you would like me to do in the month of December, please put them down below, because I will need some content ideas. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.